Can I get everybody's attention, please? On behalf of Chevrolet Goldsboro and the staff, the whole staff, we want to thank you very much for attending this year's event. We had a record-setting number of entries, 257 entries today, which is thank you very much. The registration fees for this event goes entirely to the DAV, and to honor and support the DAV, and to honor all of our veterans on this time of the year when we celebrate our veterans. I'd like to recognize all the veterans and the active duty military that's in our audience. If you'd raise your hand, please. Hey, Jerry, Boy Scouts won't count. So thank you all very much for your service. Thank you very much for coming out and supporting such a worthy cause, and for what the staff here does for the DAV. Like I said, all the proceeds, what's got given away on the 50-50, we had individual contributions, all goes to DMV. Now we had one individual who came up and registered and he gave us a check for $500. And I gotta apologize, I left the name of the company on the desk. We were trying to get all this stuff summarized. This is an injection and mobile company. Who did that? Raise his hand, please. If he doesn't mind. Right there. What's the name of your company? Doesn't matter. Well, give this man a hand. He doesn't matter. Thank you very much. And not only did he do it this year, he's done it last year too. So thank you again. All right, now we're going to start the awards. We got cash to give out. We got 50-50 tickets. 50-50 drawing to give out. The winner's share is $940. We're going to know that you voted for the tops in each class of the East Carolina club cars. I'm going to do that first and get that out of the way. In the C3 class, Mr. Fred West. And with somebody who wins this $940. And we got a young man up here that's going to draw the ticket. Really good. I'm going to read the complete number. 6, 1, 7, 7, 8, 3, 5. 6, 1, 7, 7, 8, 3, 5. We have a winner right here. Let me tell you a story about this man. He needs it. He bought a 2010 Grand Sport. Within months of getting that car, he was rear-ended, and the car stayed out of commission for months. And how many months after that? 2 months. Lightning struck his garage and went to the car and messed up everything in the car. So if anybody needs it, he probably does. All right, y'all give me just a break. Let me go back and see if all the rest of the information is ready. We'll continue. We're going to give out the Best Show Awards, but don't leave because we still got more cash to give out after this. All right, the Best of Show Corvette gets a nice trophy and $500. It goes to car number 11, Bobby Murphy, 63 Corvette.
Congratulations.
Yeah, you get a choice, a trophy or a check. But we'll go ahead and give you both of them. Best of Show Ford, car number 115, John Boyd, 58 Skyliner. All right, Best of Show General Motors, number 129, Philip Reed, 55 Chevy Wagon. Best of Show Mopar, number 27, Keith and Karen Keeler, 70 Dodge Challenger.
Yeah, he can have the trophy, she get the money.
Thank you.
All right.
Congratulations.
Best of Show Truck, number 184, Lee Anders, 97 Chevrolet S10. All right, best foreign manufacturer, number 110, Lee Wheaton. It's a Triumph TR6.
Thank you.
Now, all of these Best of Show classes had more than 5 entries in them, so that's why they're getting $500. The award scale was based on the number of cars in the entry. Number of cars in the category. Now, the other manufacturer categories didn't have 3 cars in it, so the winner gets trophy and $300, and it goes to Wayne Deal, 61 Studebaker Hawk. The Best of Show goes to number 219, Charlie Medlin, 2002 Harley Softail. Now, the sponsors award is you can't take the money now, is a trophy and $200, and it goes to car number 250. Goes to car number 209, Dale Weaver. And Dale, I believe, is a 69 Camaro, if I'm not mistaken.
No, you're fine.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
5 clubs that brought more than 12 cars, and it was $300 a club. So I need a representative from the Wayne County Cruisers to come up, please.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Also, the club Seymour 42, need you to come up, please. I need a representative from the Twin Rivers Corvette Club to come up, please.
Thank you.
And also representative from Goldsboro Camaros. And the Carolina Classic Cruisers. All right, now, these top five buck getters I need them to come up, please. Linwood Horn, you can come up to the front, please. All right, Powers Williams. David Williams.
Just stand right here in the front. Yep, just anywhere right here.
Toby or Janine Hare. And Linwood Sumner.
Yep.
I ain't get none anyway.
Linwood Sumner. Oh, right over here.
Buster, we're missing one.
Powers Williams. All right, what you gonna do is draw a ticket. Everybody gets a ticket. And then at that point, we're gonna start drawing tickets that hopefully match one of yours. And the first ticket gets $250. And then we'll go down from there. All right. Let's start with the $50 ticket. $50 ticket, I'm sorry. My boss corrected me over here.
Look at your numbers.
The last four numbers, 3329. 3329. Alright, you got the $50 ticket.
Congratulations.
That'll buy you enough fuel to get back to the trailer. Alright, $100. 3327. $150. 3331. $200. 3328.
I'm gonna guess.
Who wins the 250? Thank you very much for coming up. Again, thank you all on behalf of the dealership and all the staff and the Eastern Carolina Corvette Club. Thank you for supporting this event and the events that we've had all through the year. And we appreciate your attendance. Look forward to seeing you next year at our events and this event, same day, same time, same place. Now, if y'all would just be really patient leaving, we got a lot of cars that's got to get out of 2 holes down here. Our staff is going to be down there helping you get out. And there's going to be a policeman at the intersection, and he's giving away free tickets for burnout. So do your best job. Just wait for somebody to help get you out.
Catch it first.
I almost grabbed you.